Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to integrate or embed Google Drive file in WordPress using plugin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write embedpress. So this is plugin embedpress we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see embedpress, so click on it. So we are in plugin setting and then you see global embed iframe. So you can set width and height according to requirement, and then you see shortcode, so click on it. So we are going to add Google Drive link and then click on generate. Now you see embedpress has direct integration with classic Gutenberg. Now go to Google Drive, copy link, back to website. Now paste and then click on generate. So you can add this code anywhere you want in WordPress. Now copy link, go to page and then click on paste and then click on update. Now page updated done. Go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see Google Drive link embed in our WordPress website. Now you see, so you can zoom page, you see all detail. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.